Welcome to our washing machine showdown. Today, we're comparing two compact washing machines that are perfect for small spaces. The Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub and the Costway Portable Washing Machine. We'll look at their capacities, prices, and construction materials to help you choose the right one for your laundry needs. Let's dive in! When it comes to capacity, the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub has a washing capacity of 8 pounds, while the Costway Portable Washing Machine offers a larger capacity of 11 pounds. This means that if you have bigger laundry loads, the Costway might be the better choice for you. In terms of price, the Super Deal is significantly more affordable at $113 compared to the Costway, which is priced at $159. If you're on a budget, the Super Deal offers great value for its price, but you may be sacrificing some features. Looking at durability, the Super Deal is made from plastic, which may not be as long-lasting as the Costway, which features a more robust construction using ABS and PP materials. If longevity is a priority for you, the Costway could be the better option. In conclusion, both the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub and the Costway Portable Washing Machine have their strengths and weaknesses. The Super Deal is budget-friendly and compact, making it ideal for small spaces, while the Costway offers larger capacity and more durable materials. Make sure to consider your specific needs before making a purchase. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.